Okay, so this is the third way to practice vocabulary. So I have two sets. The first set is lines and angles. The second set is 2D and two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. And this is a PowerPoint template built in here. Oh, I spent a lot of time to make this one in here. So a lot of animations and other stuff I need to practice, be able to build this template in here. So I'm willing to give to you this template. So just feel free to use this one if you want to use in your classroom, or you can always change the text inside the cards, and you can make a different set of things you want to practice using the same format. So here I said here to begin, start the slideshow. So this is a definition, right? And if you click the definition, anyone, I want to start from here, and it says line segment, right? So two angles so if you click one more time, you go back to the template. So you can always click the text box and change the definition, and you can use for the other one. Two angles that add up to 180. What it is? It is supplementary angle. So kids can practice with this one until they memorize all the words in here. Last, lines that cross at a point. What is that? It is intersecting lines. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees, it is going to be complementary angles. Or you can start from here, like this, and have them explain what they are. Right? So I'm going to have everything up here to show all the words. So can anybody tell me what a ray is? So you can ask them what a ray is. A ray is part of the line that starts on an end point and goes on forever in one direction. Right? What about point? Can anybody tell me what a point is? A point is an exact location. This is named with a capital letter. Okay? Something like that. Interior angles. What is the interior angle? Interior angle means the angles inside of a figure in a triangle. These add up to, for example, the triangle or square. But in case of triangle, it adds up to 180. So kids can practice vocabulary. So once you have this template, kids can play without any instruction, which is good. So this one is 2D and three-dimensional shapes. So it's a different color. So I have two sets for practice. So this one in here, I see the definition again here, and then you can see what it is. So five-sided polygon. What it is, five-sided polygon? Yes, it is a pentagon. A 10-sided polygon. See, this vocabulary is difficult because we don't use this word in our life. Square, rectangle, pentagon, octagon, a little bit because we see the signs are like that. But this one, 7-sided polygon, 10-sided polygon, we don't use this word a lot in our lives. That's why they need to practice, extra practice. So this is the third way you can practice vocabulary in geometry class. The first one, we talk about the cards, the words cards and folded thirds, and then you can practice. And you can actually make a deck of cards using shipping label and make a set. And there's a second way. This is the third way you can practice vocabulary in your classroom. I hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to use any of the things we are doing in the classroom for your future classroom. Thank you.